Here's a Casablanca Concentra ceiling fan in white. This fan came out of my neighbor's house. This fan was made in March 24th, 2005, and it's the 81st fan made that day. Now I know everything about Casablanca. My Panamas are made in the first one was made my Panama number 1 was made in May 31st, 2000, and it's the 311th fan, and the other one's the 370th fan. So yeah. Wait. We're still recording. Here it is. Alright, so here is low. It does have the direct drive motor. Compared to my Panamas, they have the Panamas have the XLP motor. The down rod's from the Panama. It's not the original down rod. The original down rod is way too long. So, anyways, one of the blades is slightly bent, but that's okay. When it was installed in my neighbor's house, it was in reverse. And I couldn't reverse it because it was way high up there. Now I could reverse it while it's down here. I like it running forward. So anyways, here is medium. Anyways, it's low. I'll show on low for a little longer. Anyways, here's medium. It does hum. That's the one thing about these is they're pretty hummy. Does the Genesis is another direct drive Casablanca set that has the badge style blades. Does the Genesis hum? I don't know. But the Genesis fan was like around 1993 and 1994, and these were introduced in like 1995. And the Genesises were discontinued. I think the Genesis were like pretty hummy, something like that. Well, the Concentras are pretty hummy. Anyways, that's about medium. Here's high. Oh, it does wobble. Both of my Panamas do that, too. I think it didn't wobble back when I was installed in that house, but for some reason, when I was cleaning it, when I was like disinfecting it, one of the blade irons was like a little bent. So yeah. It's moving a lot of air. Anyways, to spin down and reverse it. This thing's a little loose. Spin down may be a little quick. Well, last video, when I was installed in the house, I didn't do spin down, but now I can do spin down here. They replaced the fan with a Haiku. Hopefully, if the quarantine's over, I can probably do a video of that fan, the Haiku. Anyways, here is reverse. That's low reverse. It was originally on a Lutron control when it was installed in the house. Anyways, let's go to medium reverse. Anyways, too high. Oh, shoot. That's the one thing about these. Some of these smooth painters are recalled. It's like making a banging noise. I could hear it when I'm right here. And back to forward. Yeah, that's about it for this demonstration. Thanks for watching.